Hello everybody, back to my channel. I am teacher Sarita. Today I am teaching you English of 3rd standard, unit 1, A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in the fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. This is the poem. It is very sweet poem. I will explain the meaning of to you what the poem want to say. Okay, you can see that sun is there, then rainbow is there. So what this poet want to say? The poet says that the sun and the rain are playing hide and seek in the sky. The weather is changing quickly. The sun and the rain, in turn, try to chase each other out from their hiding places. From they meet to say goodbye. At this moment, a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky, spreading from one end to the sky to the other. Suddenly, if you see outside, suddenly you see that it's raining. Then it goes, the sunlight comes. So they want to say that they are playing hide and seek like you used to play with your friends. Sunlight comes and rain is there, but in this like that. Then they finally say goodbye. Then they go away. Then the weather become pleasant. Sky is clear. No too much sunlight and no rain is there. At that time you can see. Then the poem want to say that suddenly a rainbow appear. Rainbow means 7 colors. See the rainbow. Rainbow means when the light sunlight, the rain droplets are flashed in that, it becomes a spectrum type spreads. That time rainbow comes. Okay, it is very rare to say, but when you see it, it is so beautiful. So it is like spreading from one end to another. So it is about that how they are playing hide and seek, and suddenly rainbow comes. Now we will see that word meaning. Fickle, something that changes quickly and suddenly. Suddenly it rained, then suddenly it comes to sunny light, like that. It suddenly changes. Chase, run after somebody to catch that person. You want to catch some person, so you are running. Span, spread from one end to another. Span means spreading from one end to another. Now come to things to do. Read the poem aloud. Children, you should read loudly and clearly. This will make your reading good. And you can come to know many difficult words also. How do you play hide and seek? Tell in a short. I am reading about one that I think about how you play. First, all those who want to play hide and seek stand in a circle. First, you make a circle. Your friends all make stand in a circle. One person is chosen as the den. Then you will select among them one denner. Okay. The den closes his eyes and the other ran hide and seek. The den, whoever is he or she, he closes his eyes, and you all people go and hide in wherever the place is there. The den has to search and find the other. The denner has to search that where he or she or where had hide. Then the one who is found first become the next. The denner first who find that person who is hiding, then automatically that person will become the next denner. Then he has to do this searching. Okay, this game go on. If you know your own answers, if you want to write your own, how do you your I think playing will be little different, so you can write your own answer. Now next one, name any 5 games you play and enjoy. Okay, this is a 5 game. So whatever you game, like cricket, you want to play football, like hide and seek, I have told you, kitchen set, dollhouse, badminton, anything you can write, coco. It is up to you. Copy the names of the colors of the rainbow given below. You neatly write these names. Violet, see violet color is big, you can see. Then indigo is like this color. Okay, blue is like this, and green, then yellow, orange, red, all are these colors in the rainbow. Draw a picture of the rainbow. You can draw from here like this, all the picture. Okay. Write other related to the weather, sky. What other words are coming when you say weather? So what you want to say? Weather means what do you want to say? It is related to which word? So that I am going to give you answer. So you can come to know. Weather is related to sunny. Sunny, it is a sunny day. So this is the weather. It is related to weather. Rainy day, rain. Storm, it is stormy day. Windy, hot, cold, fine, pleasant. These all are related to weather. Now sky. When you say sky, blue, when you say cloudy, dark, grey, bright, cloudless, starry, all these are related to sky. The word which we use to describe about the sky and the weather, that word you have to say. So this is over. So I hope you will understood what you want to what the poet want to say. If you like my video, please come back. I will share more videos for you so that you can learn it nicely and you can have your education going on. Stay safe, and if you like it, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you, and keep reading and learning. Bye. Take care. I will be back in a next video.